Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the exhaust muffler from the easy-to-fit kit by Faurecia used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Unplug the battery. In order to make changes to the exhaust muffler, you have to raise the rear of your vehicle. Lift the back of your vehicle and place it on the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. A rusty, damaged, or overused exhaust line can mean that your vehicle fails its MOT. It is therefore recommended to change these parts preventatively. On this vehicle, the exhaust line is in 2 parts. You will therefore have to separate the exhaust line from the exhaust muffler when replacing the line. Depending on the state of the vehicle, the exhaust line can sometimes be so rusty that you will need to cut the accessories with an angle grinder. Start by removing the clamping clip that connects the muffler to the exhaust line. Pull on the muffler to separate it from the rest of the exhaust line. You can now release the silent block on the driver's side. Use a screwdriver to stretch the rubber and take it off the holding rod. Do the same on the passenger's side. You can use a screwdriver to help stretch the rubber and take it off the holding rod. The muffler is now free. You can then remove it by pivoting it so that the rest of the exhaust line goes over the rear axle.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
The easy-to-fit kits by Faurecia are split up in several parts, which makes it possible to assemble the entire exhaust line easily, safely and on your own without needing specific equipment. The kits come with all the accessories needed for assembly, adapted to the line in question. This means you do not have to worry about missing parts or compatibility issues which might stop you from completing the operation. Take the silent blocks provided in the easy-to-fit kit. Grease them to make them easier to install. And put them in place on the exhaust muffler. Then, take the tube supplied in the kit and the adapter sleeve. Install the sleeve on the tube. All while holding everything, you have to bring together the 2 blue marks on the tubes and slide the adapter sleeve so that the center links up with the contact point between the 2 tubes. Once properly in position and using a 13mm spanner, screw the 2 nuts in the adapter sleeve, which will make it possible to create a complete seal. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. As with any fitting accessories, install them in such a way so that there's no contact with the heat protection. You can now install the muffler. Slide the muffler into place and start by installing the silent blocks back in such a way so that the muffler hangs during the following operations. Once hanging from the 2 silent blocks, properly fit the muffler in place on the exhaust line. Once properly in place, take the clamping clip supplied in the easy-to-fit kit and install it on a point where the two lines touch. Using a socket wrench and a 30mm socket screw, screw in the clamping clip. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Assembly of your new muffler is now complete. Check that there are no contact points between the exhaust line and the heat shield. You can now put your vehicle back on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.